Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have the right access and that tracking is enabled. Without permissions, you can't proceed. Next, choose the specific words or phrases to monitor and define the scope, a single doc, a folder, or the whole site, because precision reduces noise. Once done, set a reasonable time window and sensitivity so results aren't overwhelmed by minor hits. Choose how you'll get alerts. These are the first actionable steps to begin capturing meaningful word tracking data. Now you configure the meat of the system, matching rules and filters. You'll decide between exact matches, stems, wildcards, or rejects. Use rejects only when you need complex patterns because it's powerful but error-prone. Then apply filters by author, date range, file type, or folder to exclude irrelevant content. Once set, run tests on a representative sample so you can see false positives and tweak sensitivity or patterns. Make sure to iterate until matches are reliable and focused. Finish by reviewing initial hits and taking action. Tag, archive, or escalate items so the system learns your workflows. Then automate what repeats. Set alerts, schedule exports, or trigger webhooks and workflows so you spend less time on routine follow-up. If results are poor, troubleshoot. Adjust thresholds, loosen or tighten patterns, expand the scope, and check system logs for errors. One key tip: when matches stop making sense, reduce complexity and test incrementally to isolate the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.